Good evening friends, study with the Pal Engineering and General Geology Parvin Singha book. So in chapter 11, so हम एम्फीबोलाइट ग्रुप पढ़ रहे हैं, उसी के एग्जाम्पल हैं. ट्रीमोलाइट उसी में आते हैं. ये Ca2Mg Ca2Mg5, so Si4O11 whole twice, OH का whole twice. Crystal system monoclinic crystals and are long bladed. Cleavage prismatic and perfect, and colors commonly white to light gray, and hardness 5.5 to 6.0, specific gravity 2.9 to 3.0. Lustre is a vitreous or optically negative occurrence in igneous and metamorphic rock, especially in metamorphosed limestone and dolomites. And actinolite Ca2 Mg Fe whole 5 Si4O11 whole twice and OH whole twice. The crystal system monoclinic. Cleavage perfect, prismatic, colors mostly green amphiboles, and the green color is due to ferrous iron. Iron hardness 5.5 to 6.0 in crystals only, and specific gravity 3.1 to 3.3. Variety asbestos and actinolite and tremolites are and others minerals of amphiboles group often occur in fibrous forms, and when they are grouped as asbestos, they form long and flexible fibers. Note the commercial asbestos is derived from other minerals called crystallite and serpentines, and which are hydrous magnesium silicates. And occurrence actinolite is confined in its occurrence to metamorphic rocks such as crystalline schist. Hornblende Ca2 Na Mgfe whole AlFe whole एल्यूमिनियम आयरन है, मैग्नीशियम आयरन है, ये आपका कैल्शियम है सोडियम के कॉम्बिनेशन. और SiAl whole 4 O11 whole twice and OH whole twice. Crystal system monoclinic crystals and long slender prismatic cleavage. Perfect prismatic parallel to 110. Prismatic colors dark greens and dark browns, black. Hardness 5.5 to 6. Specific gravity 3.0 to 3.47. Variables depending on compositions. Lustre vitreous. Streaks white with greenish and tint, and composition highly variables and complex, broadly and luminous amphiboles. Opticals and under microscopes blend. Crystals generally appear in 6 size outlines. The minerals sections show strong paleochroism and oblique extinctions, and is commonly optically negative. So occurrence hornblende is a common rock forming minerals in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Amphibolites, metamorphic groups of rocks, may be made up chiefly of hornblende, and because of their widespread occurrence, hornblende and augites are taken as the representative minerals from the amphiboles and pyroxene group respectively. Varieties, and about half a dozen varieties of hornblende have been differentiated on the basis of variations in its chemical composition. So in next page, glucophanes. Na2Mg Fe whole thrice, Al2 Si4O11 whole twice, OH iron whole twice. This monoclinic amphiboles is confined in its occurrence to crystalline metamorphic rocks called schist. It commonly occurs in grain in fibrous aggregates. Colors of various shades of blue, example bright blue, blue black, and grayish blue itself. Hardness 6 to 6.5, specific gravity 3.1 to 3.2. In compositions, glucophanes differs from other amphiboles in that a part of a hydroxyl group is replaced by fluorine. It is optically negative. Arfvedonite and sodium ions, magnesium iron ions whole 4, iron aluminum whole 4, Si4O11 whole twice, and OH fluorines whole twice. It is also a monoclinic amphiboles and characterized with a prismatic cleavage. It is rich in iron and magnesium, hence in black in color, as compared with the glucophanes. Streak deep blues and hardness 6, specific gravity 3.4, optically negative. The minerals occur chiefly in igneous rocks compared to glucophanes such as syenite and pegmatite. In the latter rocks, it may occur in the forms of crystals of appreciable size 10 to 20 centimeter in length. Comparative study of pyroxene and amphiboles. Among the most common rock-forming minerals, the pyroxene and amphiboles occurs a special position. They are essentially a constituent of many igneous and metamorphic rock amongst themselves. The prominent minerals of these two groups have so many similarities to so much so that often their identifications or merged physical characteristics may become quite difficult. It is therefore important that we understand the qualities in which these minerals resemble closely and also the characters that make them distinct from each other, and this may has been attempted below in tabular form. Comparisons of pyroxene and amphiboles. Character pyroxene amphiboles. Crystallizations and crystallize in orthorhombic and monoclinic system, and crystals are commonly short and stout, and the crystallization in orthorhombic and monoclinic system, and the crystals are commonly long and cylinder in amphiboles. So cleavage compared to pyroxene, so perfect prismatic है. इसका cleavage angle is 87 degree, almost right angles. Amphiboles में परफेक्ट प्रिज्मेटिक है, क्लीवेज एंगल इज 124 डिग्री. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी में जब आते हैं तो हार्डनेस, स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी और कलर मेनली देखते हैं. हार्डनेस 5 to 6, स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी पायरोक्सिन की 3.0 to 3.8 एंड कलर ग्रे, ब्लैक एंड अदर्स डार्क शेड्स. एम्फीबोल्स ग्रुप में हार्डनेस 5 to 6 रहती है, स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी 2.8 to 3.8, कलर ग्रे टू ब्लैक एंड अदर डार्क शेड्स. एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर अब सिलिकॉन में आता है ऑक्सीजन टेट्राहेड्रा पायरोक्सिन के तहत. सिलिकॉन ऑक्सीजन टेट्राहेड्रा linked together in chain structure, and second consist of extensions of a single chain of tetrahedra. Here links silica and oxygen, silica oxygen ratio is a 1:3. एंड इन अब हम एम्फीबोल ग्रुप में आते हैं तो एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर में सिलिकॉन oxygen tetrahedra linked together in chain structure consists of extensions of double chains of tetrahedra yielding silica and oxygen ratios of 4:11 broadly. अच्छा, केमिकल कंपोजिशन पायरोक्सिन में आते हैं. मेटासिलिकेट विद जर्नल फॉर्मूला ऑफ SI3 मतलब क्या है कि R का है कैल्शियम है, R रिप्रेजेंट करता है कैल्शियम को, मैग्नीशियम को, आयरन को, एल्यूमिनियम को. और उसी जगह एम्फीबोल ग्रुप में आ जब आते केमिस्ट्री. ब्रॉडली स्पीकिंग मेटासिलिकेट्स and but with a hydroxyl group in the lattice making the general formula RSI4O11 OH whole twice, where R represent calcium, magnesium, iron, aluminum. Cross section. In cross sections under microscopes are the typical pyroxene minerals. Example, augite appears octagonal with almost rich angled cleavage. अब एम्फीबोल ग्रुप में आते थे. इन क्रॉस सेक्शन अंडर माइक्रोस्कोप द टिपिकल एम्फीबोल्स मिनरल्स. एग्जांपल, हॉर्न ब्लेंड appear hexagonals with cleavage angle of 120 degree. So this cleavage in pyroxene and the cleavage in amphibole. Thank you.